Everyone, open page number 106. Switch help us to turn on or off any electrical device safely. The switch is like a gate which can either be closed or open. It controls the flow of current within a circuit. It may disconnect the wire, making the circuit open, or it may connect the two ends of a wire, making the circuit closed. Circuit may be series or parallel. Okay, students, what is a circuit? Beta, circuit is like a gate. For example, we have a door at our home. So it is like a door. So it is like a door. We can close it as well and we can open it as well. Okay. And how we can switch it, how we can open it as well and how we can close it as well. That if we disconnect the wire, okay, so it means that the circuit is open, as we studied in the previous page, that open circuit, about open circuit. So if we disconnect the wire, so what will happen, that it becomes open circuit. But if we connect the two ends, if we connect the wires, it will be closed circuit. It means the light or any electrical gadgets, any electrical appliances will now work. Okay. And we can divide circuits into two categories. Circuits may be series circuit as well, and they may be parallel circuits as well. So what is a series circuit? In series circuit, there is only single path for the current to flow. In series circuit, components share the power of the battery. In series circuit, the bulbs are linked one after another. If a break occurs at any point in a circuit, it will become open and both the bulbs will be switched off. The energy from the battery gets divided among the bulbs in it. Series circuit is just like a single road with its traffic. बेटा series circuit होता क्या है? What is a series circuit? That whenever two or more bulbs are joined together, they are linked together one after another. They are not just two, we can use it 3 or 4 or 5, how much we need, okay? And we connect it with a battery or a electrical cell. So what will happen, that they are connected in a series way, in a linked way. They are connected one after another, as you can see in the pictures as well. They are connected one after another. We call them series circuit. But beta, there is a disadvantage, that if any break comes, अगर कोई break हो जाता है इस circuit में, for example, if the battery is damaged or if a wire is cut from here, अगर इधर से wire जो है damage हो जाती है या कुछ भी error आ जाता है, तो बेटा what will happen, that not only this bulb will switch off, but both the bulbs will be switched off, because electricity is flowing negatively from here and positively from here, as they are connected in a series way after one another. So what will happen, that because of one damage, the whole circuit will be unable to flow electricity in them. What is a parallel circuit? In parallel circuit, there are multiple paths for current to flow. Each part gets the whole power of the battery. Moving to page 107. If a break occurs in any point in the parallel circuit, only affected area will be turned off. For example, if we disconnect the top bulb, the other bulb will remain switched on due to its continuous current flow. The current gets divided in this type of circuit. Parallel circuit is like a dividing road. So students, what is the difference between parallel circuit and series circuit? Series circuit was that which is connected in a series way, one after another. The bulbs are connected one after another. But in a parallel circuit, they are connected in a loops way. What is the meaning of loops way? As you can see in the picture, they are connected from one wire to, first of all, in the bulb. Then the same wire is attached with the second bulb. The third wire is attached with the third bulb. Okay. So, but if any break comes here, for example, the third bulb is not lightning, but the rest of the bulbs will light up. Okay. It will not affect the other bulbs. So this was the difference between parallel and series circuit. Moving to circuit diagram. Beta, what is a circuit diagram? That the way to represent electric circuits with symbols, that there are some symbols through which we can represent the components of electric circuits is called a circuit diagram. And they have given you some common symbols which we use in circuit diagrams. That while drawing a circuit diagram, there are some symbols. For example, battery. If you find this kind of symbol in a circuit, it means that the battery is attached. If you find this kind of symbol, it means that the switch is off, because you can see that the switch is off. And if you find this kind of symbol, it means the switch is on. If finding the circular shape and it has a cross sign, it means the bulb is attached with the circuit. And a straight path is called a wire. This diagram will be called a wire. Electric current could be fatal or life-threatening as well. Always follow the safety precautions. Do not use electrical appliances near water sources. Use safety gloves while using electric appliances. Do not put too much wire in one socket. Routinely check the wiring of the electric appliances and unplug all electric appliances after use. Do not play nearly electrical appliances.